Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. We are back again with another video and happy to be here.
Hello, I'm excited too. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic, city life versus country life.
That's right. Many people wonder which lifestyle is better. Some people enjoy the busy atmosphere of cities, while others prefer the peaceful environment of the countryside.
Exactly. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. So let's discuss them and share our opinions.
First, let me ask you this question. Have you ever lived in the countryside?
Yes, I have. I grew up in a small village. There were green fields, fresh air, and friendly neighbors. It was a beautiful place.
That sounds lovely. I have always lived in the city. I'm used to tall buildings, crowded streets, and busy schedules.
What do you like most about city life?
I like the convenience. In cities, everything is nearby. There are schools, hospitals, shopping malls, restaurants, and entertainment centers.
That's true. Public transportation is also better in cities.
Yes, people can travel by bus, train, metro, or taxi. It makes daily life easier.
Another advantage is job opportunities. Cities usually offer more employment options.
Absolutely. Many companies and businesses are located in urban areas. People move to cities to build their careers.
However, city life can also be stressful.
I agree. Traffic jams are a major problem. Sometimes people spend hours commuting to work.
There is also noise pollution. Cars, construction work, and crowded streets can be overwhelming.
Not to mention air pollution. The large number of vehicles and factories affects the quality of the air.
Housing can also be expensive in cities.
That's true. Rent and property prices are often very high. Some people struggle to afford comfortable homes.
On the other hand, country life offers a different experience.
What do you enjoy most about living in the countryside?
I love the peace and quiet. There's less noise, less traffic, and a slower pace of life.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is. People often know their neighbors well, and communities tend to be close-knit.
I think that sense of community is special.
Yes, people help each other during difficult times and celebrate together during festivals and special occasions.
What about the environment?
The countryside usually has cleaner air and beautiful natural scenery. There are mountains, rivers, forests, and farms.
Nature can have a positive effect on mental health.
Definitely. Spending time outdoors can reduce stress and improve well-being.
Are there any disadvantages to country life?
Yes, there are. One challenge is limited access to services.
What do you mean?
Hospitals, schools, and shopping centers may be far away. People sometimes have to travel long distances.
I can see how that could be inconvenient.
Another issue is transportation. Public transportation is often limited in rural areas.
So people may need their own vehicles.
Exactly. Without a car or motorcycle, it can be difficult to travel.
What about job opportunities?
They may be fewer compared to cities. Some young people move to urban areas to find better employment.
That happens in many countries.
Yes, cities attract people because of education, careers, and modern lifestyles.
Speaking of education, cities usually have more schools and universities.
That's true. Students may have access to a wider range of educational programs,
Cities also offer cultural experiences.
such as museums, theaters, concerts, and exhibitions.
Exactly. There are many activities to enjoy.
But country life has its own unique experiences too.
Like what?
Farming activities, local traditions, village festivals, and outdoor adventures.
That sounds enjoyable.
It is. People often feel more connected to nature and traditional values.
If you had to choose between city life and country life today, what would you choose?
That's a difficult question. I think I would choose country life because I value peace, fresh air, and strong community relationships.
Interesting. I think I would still choose city life because I enjoy convenience and opportunities for personal growth.
It really depends on individual preferences.
I agree. There's no single right answer,
Some people prefer excitement and variety.
while others prefer simplicity and tranquility.
Have you ever thought about moving to the countryside?
Sometimes, especially when city life becomes too stressful,
What would attract you to rural living?
I would enjoy more space, a garden, and a quieter environment.
Those are wonderful benefits.
But I would miss the convenience of city services.
That's understandable.
Have you ever considered moving back to the city?
Yes, I think living in the city could help me develop my career and meet people from different backgrounds.
Diversity is another characteristic of urban areas.
That's right. Cities bring together people from different cultures, languages, and traditions.
This diversity can broaden our perspectives.
Absolutely, we can learn from one another.
Technology has also changed the way people live.
How so?
Remote work allows some people to live in rural areas while working for companies located in cities.
That's a great point. People now have more flexibility.
The internet has reduced some of the differences between urban and rural life.
Although certain challenges still remain.
Yes, infrastructure and access to services can still vary greatly.
Let's talk about family life. Which environment do you think is better for raising children?
I think both can be good depending on the family's priorities.
Could you explain?
Cities provide educational opportunities and extracurricular activities.
Such as sports clubs, music classes, and language programs.
Exactly.
In the countryside, children may have more freedom to play outdoors and explore nature.
That can contribute to a healthy lifestyle.
Families may also spend more quality time together in a quieter environment.
That's very important.
Another aspect is safety. Some people believe rural areas are safer.
While others argue that cities have better emergency services.
That's true. Safety depends on many factors.
What about the cost of living?
Generally, country life can be more affordable.
Housing costs may be lower.
Yes, although salaries may also be lower in some regions.
Everything involves trade-offs.
Exactly. Every lifestyle has benefits and challenges.
If you could combine the advantages of both lifestyles, what would your ideal place look like?
I would choose a small town near a city
Why?
because I could enjoy peace and nature while still having access to modern facilities.
That sounds like a balanced approach.
What about you?
I would like a city with plenty of parks, clean air, and efficient public transportation.
A city that promotes a healthy and sustainable lifestyle.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, happiness depends on finding the environment that suits our personalities and goals.
Very well said.
Some people thrive in busy environments.
Others flourish in calm and peaceful settings.
The important thing is to respect different choices.
We should understand that everyone's needs are different.
Whether someone chooses city life or country life, they can create a meaningful and fulfilling life.
I completely agree.
This discussion has reminded me that both lifestyles offer valuable experiences.
Me too. Perhaps the best approach is to appreciate the advantages of each.
And remain open to new experiences.
Exactly. Sometimes a change of environment can teach us important lessons.
Before we finish, let's summarize.
City life offers convenience, career opportunities, cultural experiences, and access to services.
However, it may involve stress, traffic congestion, pollution, and higher living costs.
Country life provides peace, natural beauty, stronger community connections, and a slower pace of life.
But it may have fewer job opportunities, limited transportation, and less access to certain services.
Ultimately, the choice depends on personal values and priorities.
Exactly. There's beauty in both lifestyles.
Thank you for joining us for today's conversation.
We hope you enjoyed listening to our discussion about city life and country life.
Remember, wherever you live, make the most of your surroundings and appreciate the opportunities around you.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and have a wonderful day.